High Court has made this decision pursuant to Article 165 of the Constitution. Yes. And Honorable Speaker, that power gives the High Court original jurisdiction over matters concerning questions of interpretation of the Constitution. But Honorable Speaker, we must be alive to the fact that the High Court only exercises original jurisdiction. This matter most likely will go to the Court of Appeal under Article 164 and ultimately, Honorable Speaker, to the Supreme Court under Article 163 because it is a matter concerning constitutional interpretation. And Honorable Speaker, I therefore want to say that you may be in your right place to make a decision on this matter, but I request you have regard to the provisions of Article 10, Sub-Article 2, as you communicate your position to guide us in terms of how to proceed. Honorable Speaker, having said so, as you make your decision, I wanted to request that you help us understand and resolve the following matters. Number one, Honorable Speaker, what members are asking is the determination of which party is majority or minority in Parliament a de jure determination or it is a de facto? Is it based on law or it sits on existing facts? And Honorable Speaker, may your communication clarify that. I'm asking Honorable Speaker, together with the Honorable members, that is it a decision to be made at once at elections and then it remains static, or it is capable of change due to the possibility of post-election coalitions? Honorable Speaker, we've seen this in Israel, we've seen this in Germany. What happens if it is static and at once? If these parties like UDM, the parties like MDG, the parties that were to move from Azimio, were to actually effectively, successfully and lawfully move from Azimio and join Kenya Kwanza, how would that position sit with the judgment? Honorable Speaker, I'm also asking you to clarify that if the determination is static, then Honorable Speaker, how does the judgment sit with the provisions of Article 36 of the Constitution? And Honorable Speaker, as you make your determination, I wanted to
give him 1 minute.
Yes, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, would you look when you decide at the provisions of Standing Order number 178, subsection 2, as read with Standing Order 174, subsection 2A. Honorable Speaker, what I'm asking, to what extent does this decision affect leadership of oversight committees like PAC-PIC? Or asked differently, can the members of the parties which the judgment has said did not move from Azimio seek to chair those oversight committees and members who are independents? And to what extent would it affect our side? Lastly, Honorable Speaker, on the matter concerning the sitting of the Speaker, I would request that you look at the provisions of Article 106, Sub-Article 2. But lastly, Honorable Speaker, as a supporter of broad-based government, allow me only to say this. Honorable Speaker, it is very painful when supporters of broad-based government are traveling like to Mombasa and they go to economy and you find Gakuya, Wamuchomba sitting on business class because they're chairs of committee. We want reorganization that ensures equity in the broad-based system. And that is why I would agree that whatever decision you make, we must be equally integrated as a broad-based government in a presidential system. I thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Lilian Kogo.